What's up, baby gang? It's your girl Shavon, and as y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm coming to y'all with another prank video. So the prank for this video is going to be girlfriend being mean to her boyfriend to get boyfriend's reaction. So guys, what I'm gonna do is Javon is on his phone. He's watching online gaming stuff, something. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna set up I'm gonna set the camera up, guys. He's not gonna know that I'm coming in there because he has both headphones on and he has the phone loud as crap. So I'm going to go in, set the camera up. I'm probably have the ring light on because it's starting to get dark outside and the lighting in the room isn't the best. So I'm gonna have the ring light set up and everything. So I'm just basically gonna go in there and just start messing with him, being mean to him, being like, you always on this stuff, you always playing this and playing that and stuff, and you're never giving me any attention. And then I'm just gonna be mean to him. I'm just gonna go all out. I'm just gonna do whatever I need to do to get the best reaction. I'm gonna knock his phone out of his hand. I'm gonna take his AirPod and I'm gonna throw it across the room. Something, I'm gonna do something, but it's gonna be epic. So guys, if y'all want to see his reaction of this prank video, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Also subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share this video on all your platforms. Yes, on every platform you have, share the video. And yeah, hit the notification bell to notify when posting a video. And yeah guys, let's get straight to this prank. I know that's what y'all came for anyway. Y'all didn't come for me, y'all didn't come here to hear me talk and yada yada and all this mess. So let's get straight into this video. Look at him, guys. He is buried underneath all them covers. Might be sleeping. We're gonna see. Wake up. Javon. Javon. Wake up. What are you doing? Why are you sleeping? Get up. You chill, get up. You always sleeping. It's either you sleeping or you always watching them on gaming live stuff. You don't ever give me no attention. Wake up.
Babe, why?
Wake up.
I'm up.
No, you're not. No, you're not listening to me. And that's why we always have problems, because you never listen to me.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? You tripping. Wake up.
Stop, babe. Chill, man.
You chill.
Stop.
Get up.
Why are you gonna get up for it?
Oh. See, this is stuff I be talking about.
What are you talking about?
This is what I be talking about.
What are you talking about?
You get on my nerves. You annoy me. I'm disgusted. Wake up.
Babe,
Why you always sleeping?
Stop hitting me.
Get up.
What do you want?
Get up.
I'm up.
No, you're not.
Why you got the light on?
Because. Wake up.
What you want, lady? What? What you trying to out? What do you want?
Get up. You don't never show me no affection no more, nothing. Get up.
What you want? You
I
want me up?
want
What
you to
you
get
want?
up.
Oh,
Okay, good.
now what?
Now stay up.
You gotta be freaking kidding me.
No, I'm not kidding you. Get up. Get up. You always. Get up. You always.
God, what the frick is
You
wrong with
always
you?
sleeping. Get up. What is wrong with you? Where you going? Javon.
Man, what you want?
Get up.
Why you want to get it for? Stop showing shit. What is wrong with you, bro? Why you got the light on for?
Because we need it.
What you want?
I need you to get up.
Oh,
Okay, let's do stuff.
do what?
We don't never do nothing no more.
You listening to yourself?
Are you listening to me?
I am, because you sound stupid.
You sound stupid.
How we supposed to do something when you got this damn quarantine shit?
Ain't nobody worried about
Exactly.
quarantine.
Exactly. Oh, can I get some sleep and chill out? Chill out.
No.
I don't know what you're acting so retarded for.
I don't know why you acting retarded for. Stop putting all this back on the bed. I knocked it off for a reason.
Babe, chill, man.
And you need to get a haircut. You're not even attractive no more. Jeez. What?
You're really tripping.
You tripping.
Tripping.
You tripping.
Can you stop?
No.
Can you stop? Can you chill out?
No.
No, actually, stop.
No.
What is your problem?
What is your problem?
I don't
My
have a
problem
problem.
is you. You're my
What's your
problem.
problem? Okay,
You're my
what-
problem.
What's your problem?
Because you don't
That
show
sound like a you
you don't
problem.
show no affection
Okay,
no
what-
more.
Fucking Stop. Shit.
Oh, babe, why you hit me like that?
Keep playing.
You keep playing. Get up.
Babe, can you stop? Please.
Don't call
please
me babe.
stop.
Don't call me babe.
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then. Good night.
Good night.
I'm not your girlfriend no more. Get up.
What is your problem, bro?
What is your
I ain't
problem?
got no problem. What you throwing shit for?
Because
Why y'all acting like a retarded ass Chuck?
Chuck some what?
Chuck.
Chuck what?
Legs. Man, I can't breathe.
Good.
What you mean good?
Good.
You want to see me die?
Go ahead.
What the frick? What's wrong with you, bro?
Something wrong with you.
I think you got like five minor sentences. Bro, stop. What the hell is wrong with you?
You is what's wrong with me. How many times do I have to tell you?
Tripping.
You tripping. What are you doing? Tell me. What? Okay, prank.
me sleep.
It's a prank. Get your ass off me. Okay, wait till I get my ass up.
Let me
Okay.
sleep.
It's a prank.
I don't care. Let me sleep.
It's a prank. Get up.
Stupid ass.
Get off me. Help me up.
No.
Help me up.
No. You goddamn right.
Babe.
Stop. Stop.
You stop. That hurt it. Shit. It was a prank.
I don't care. It's a program stupid ass thing.
But it was just a prank. Why you hit me like that? Look at him.
I got the camera on.
What?
No, no. Stop.
You stop.
Alright, it's a prank. You got me. You win. Stop it now. Want to sleep.
No, you don't want to sleep. I love you, baby.
Where my AirPods at?
I don't know.
Where my AirPods at?
Right there.
Where my AirPods?
No. Alright, guys. If y'all think I got him,
Well, I ain't gonna say no.
the prank was being mean to my boyfriend to get his
More
reaction.
than being annoying. Shit.
Well, being annoying to my boyfriend. That's what it's going to be called. Annoying my boyfriend to get his reaction. That's what it's going to be
I'm
called.
freaking hot because of you.
Good. You should be hot. Every time you see me, you should get hot.
You get your gay ass out of here.
That's not gay if I'm telling it to you.
Shut up!
You shut up.
Mm.
Alright, guys. I'm finna end this video because I'm about to knock him out. Alright. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.